have a new mop to try out today. It's the Bosheng Squeeze Flat Mop and Bucket System, and this combines features of the traditional mop, the mop and bucket string mop, with the newer microfiber mops. Shows on the box they're 2-chamber bucket, 360-degree rotation mop head, 3 washable microfiber pads, no splashing. So this is the bucket part of the mop. It's got 2 compartments. Comes with a pad, a microfiber pad attached, 2 extra pads, and then I'm going to put the handle together. Okay, so I'm going to give this a try. On the mop, it says this way up. So I'm going to have it like this. Put it in the wet section. Oh wait, it has to be turned around the correct way. There's a slot that just fits the mop. Okay, so it's in the wet section, and now the dry. Same thing, just push it down. And you can hear the water coming out, so that the mop is just damp, a little wet, not just enough to do your floors, but not sopping wet. It's just what you want. So I'll show that again. So it says this side up. You can just use your foot or anything for that. You don't have to touch the mop. And being left-handed, I tend to do everything backwards. Okay, there we go. The wet side. And I just have some water mixed with a little Ajax in here. I think it matters what you use depending on your type of floor. And the dry section. And there we go. And this is really great for getting into corners up against the edges that you really can't do with a string mop. And I do have a spin mop, and there's some features about it that I like, but it doesn't do well in corners, and it's a little more difficult to get up under. This has 360-degree rotation, so you can get up under anything. You can use this mop also dry. You don't have to use it as a wet mop. And it has a nice cushion on the handle to make it easy to hold. Here's a little better view of the bucket. So I have this side up with the mop, and just put that right into the slot, and then into the dry section. Get rid of some of the excess water. It's really easy. You don't have to touch the mop at all. The pad. See, I've got some of my dirty water, and I've got a little water in the dry side. I haven't done too much mopping yet. It's actually kind of fun, at least the first few times using this. Yeah. I mentioned I've used spin mops. I've also used microfiber mops, wet and dry. And I use the reusable pads, but it is kind of a hassle changing those out frequently. I use them and get a collection of them and then wash them, but it'd be much easier if I could, using this where I can rinse it. So I think I am going to continue using this and maybe retire my spin mop, my string spin mop. Right now I have that in the laundry room, taking up space, the bucket, the big bucket for it. This would seem a lot more convenient. Thanks for watching.